Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says, one of the legal methods of birth control is. यहाँ पे हमें legal methods of birth control के बारे में पूछा जा रहा है और इसमें हमें 4 ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं. So हमारा यहाँ पे की कॉन्सेप्ट हो जाएगा the methods of contraception. मेथड्स ऑफ कॉन्ट्रसेप्शन से मतलब है वो मेथड्स दैट allow a particular individual to avoid any unwanted pregnancy. Unwanted pregnancy को avoid करने के लिए जो भी methods हम apply करते हैं they all are known as methods of contraception. Now what can be the methods and reasonable methods? One of them is temporary methods. And the other part is permanent methods. Now let's try to understand कि ये permanent method और temporary methods क्या क्या हैं. So over here let's first talk about by temporary methods. Temporary methods as the name suggests, जैसे हमें नाम से ही पता चल रहा है, these methods are temporary, these are easily reversible and not 100% effective. 100% effective नहीं है और easily reversible भी होते हैं. जैसे कि नेचुरल मेथड्स. नेचुरल मेथड्स में हम नेचुरली कोशिश करते हैं दैट फर्टिलाइजेशन ऑफ द गैमीट्स डू नॉट अकर as pregnancy is caused because of the gametes fertilization, so we avoid the fertilization of the gametes by applying natural methods. Now some of the natural methods can be periodic abstinence, in which couples avoid or abstain from coitus from day 10 to 17 of menstrual cycle, as this is the period when ovulation occurs and the ovum remains viable. So the ovum remains for about 24 hours viable from the ovulation period. Thus this avoiding coitus during this period can result in contraception. Other than this, there is one more method, that is lactational amenorrhea. Now in this method, this is also known as absence of menstruation. This method is based on the fact that ovulation does not occur since the pregnancy has happened recently, और अभी ovulation नहीं होगा because of the parturition, intense lactation की वजह से. So this is another method in which the natural method is applied. इसके अलावा there are barrier methods as well. Barrier methods में physical barriers like condoms are utilized. Also there are some devices like IUDs, that is intrauterine devices, which are utilized for the method of contraception. वहीं पे अगर हम surgical methods की बात करें तो surgical methods are the ones which are the permanent methods, and these are also known as methods of sterilization. Surgical methods में permanently block कर दिया जाता है the transport of gametes so that fertilization cannot occur. This can happen in both of the cases, male और female दोनों ही केस में हो सकता है. मेल केस में वेसिक्टॉमी होता है. वेसिक्टॉमी में वास डिफरेंस को ब्लॉक कर दिया जाता है so that it cannot carry the sperm. वहीं पे फीमेल के केस में ट्यूबिक्टॉमी होता है. ट्यूबिक्टॉमी में फैलोपियन ट्यूब को कट एंड टाई कर दिया जाता है so that the egg cannot reach to the fallopian tube, which is also an site for fertilization. इसके बाद एक method और हो सकता है, that is the part of temporary methods, and that is taking oral pills. Orally pills लेकर भी avoid किया जाता है, and in this the pills are the combinations of progesterone or progesterone estrogen combination, so various hormones are taken in this. So this is an oral contraceptive method that can help in avoiding any unwanted pregnancy, and these pills have to be taken 21 days daily in the menstrual within the menstrual cycle itself. So they, after a gap of 7 days during which menstruation occurs, it has to be repeated and the same pattern should be followed. Hence pills work. I hope this is clear. Now let's have a look at the question with all these concepts. So as this is being asked, हमारे पहले क्वेश्चन में ऑप्शन में हमें दिया गया है कि premature ejaculation during coitus can avoid the pregnancy, so that should not be correct, because premature ejaculation के बाद भी there is a chance of pregnancy. Then abortion by taking an appropriate medicine under the supervision of doctor, it is not avoiding the pregnancy, more or less it will be considered as medical termination of pregnancy, that is the also known as MTP. इसी को हम MTP भी कहते हैं. So medical termination of pregnancy comes under law and should be done under strict supervision of doctor, but it is not a method of birth control. ये birth control का method नहीं है. This is a measure that can be taken. Then by abstaining from coitus from day 1 to 17 of the menstrual cycle, option C, जिसके बारे में हमने अभी डिस्कस किया कि this is going to come under the abstinence or periodic abstinence, जिसमें couples avoid coitus from day 17 day 10 to day 17 of menstrual cycle. तो ये natural methods का एक part है. और फिर हमारे पास option 4 आ जाता है, that is by having coitus during time of daybreak. So this will also not help, as the egg remains viable for whole 24 hours. So even if the coitus is going to be done during daybreak, फिर भी pregnancy के chances रहते हैं. So the most probable answer over here is option C. तो हमारा final answer होगा option C. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.